So if we want to controlling methods, apart from this, we have one more thing, that is galvanization. So galvanization is galvanizing the parts. Galvanizing means coating one metal on the surface of a other metal. We'll see what is that coating. Coating. For example, if you want to coat a zinc on the surface of a iron, how we will coat? First, you have to prepare the surface of iron metal, remove the grease, remove the oil, remove the impurities present on the surface of a iron, then dip in the zinc solution. If you dip in the zinc solution, that molten zinc uh, will get coated on the surface of a iron. So this process is called as galvanizing. Galvanizing is the process. First, purification, coating one metal on the surface of a base metal. What happened to this? This is hang. Yes, yes. Galvanizing. Galvanizing is a process. One first process is galvanizing. Here we have stopped here. Till here we stopped, right? Anodic metal coatings and cathodic metal coatings. What is anodic metal coating? Coating a anode metal on the surface of a anode metal is called as anode metal coating. Cathode metal coating is coating a cathode metal on the surface of a base metal which is already a anode. That is called as cathode metal coating. So what is galvanizing is? Galvanizing is a process. So galvanizing, here you can see there are different beakers here. This is one beaker. This is another, second, third, fourth, fifth. Five beakers are there. Or five containers are there. Five different containers. All the five different containers are having solutions. Are having different solutions. So these different solutions are nothing but, first one is solvent cleaning, next one is alkali cleaning, and the third container containing pickling solution, fourth container containing water wash which contains the water, and a fifth container containing molten zinc. First container contains the solvent which helps in cleaning the base metal. Second container contains an alkali solution. Usually potassium hydroxide or NaOH is used, alkali solution, for cleaning purpose. And the third container contains a pickling solution which is nothing but 10% of H2SO4 in acidic condition. I'll tell you what is pickling. And in the fourth container, it contains a solution which is a water wash, which contains the water. And in the fifth container, it contains a molten zinc, which is a mixture of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride sulfate. So galvanizing is a process of coating a metal on the surface. So what type of metal we are coating? We are coating a metal zinc on the surface of a iron metal. This is a coil type which is running. Can you see this coil type running? A black color one, which is the iron sheet. So take the iron sheet. First, pass the iron sheet into the first container where it contains solvent. What type of solvent it contains? It contains organic solvents. Once it contains organic solvent, this organic solvent, this water, this organic solvent solution, what happens? It removes the impurities. It removes the impurities present on the sheet, and also whatever dissolved impurities are there, all that impurities will get dissolved in the solution, in the solvent, that is organic solvent. Once all that impurities are released, are taken away from the solvent, pass the same sheet with the help of a roller. These are rollers. These dots are rollers. With the help of a rollers, pass the same sheet into the next container. which contains alkali. Alkali is nothing but alkali condition means where alkaline dissolved impurities are present. Like in alkaline solution, usually we use potassium hydroxide or NaOH, which is a base alkali solution. In this, it removes all the impurities and grease, oil, whichever it is present on the sheet. That sticky part, it removes or it takes away in the alkali cleaning. This is called as cleaning procedure or a greasing procedure, degreasing, which is called as degreasing. Once degreases is done in the second container, pass the same sheet into the third container where it contains the high concentrated H2SO4 of percentage 10%. So when in acidic condition, whichever the impurities are not removed in the first container, are not removed, oil and grease, it is not separated in the second container, everything will be removed in the third container. This process of removing by using acid 10% of H2SO4 is called as pickling process. This pickling process is being done, and once this pickling process is done, pass the same sheet into the next container which contains hot water. Once the hot water is taken, hot water is what? To remove the excess of zinc or molten bliss. Along with this water, it contains the 10% of molten zinc in the molten condition, and this helps in placing a thin layer on the surface of a iron. Once the zinc is coated on thin layer on the surface of a iron, this will be passed into the next container, final last container, which contains molten zinc, which is helped with or which is coped with ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. In this condition, a molten zinc is stick to the surface of a iron metal. Stick means it gets a thick coat of zinc on the surface of a iron will be coated. Once it is been coated, pass the same sheet to the hot air squeezer where it squeezes excess of zinc by passing hot air. So this is how a zinc is coated on the surface of a base metal, which is iron, which is a iron. So this process of coating a zinc on the surface of a iron metal, which is called as galvanization. This is called as galvanization. After galvanizing, you can give an example. What are the different examples we can give for galvanization is here. See, these are all galvanized iron with different utensils. This bucket, this nails, this wire, this fencing wire, this sheet, as per sheets or whatever you are taking this an example, all are made up with galvanized steel, iron or steel. Means they are all coated with zinc. They are all coated with zinc with this process. And if you are seeing advantages means we can anodizing or we can protect the base metal iron by rusting. This is one major advantage of galvanizing. Understood? So write down galvanization or galvanizing. Write down galvanizing. Can you see this board? Is that visible?
Yes, ma'am.
People. So this is the writing class given by the college. What we are supposed to use for the class. If you can tell me, like, is that possible? If you can use it, if you everyone can see, I will start using this. Is everyone can see?
Yes, ma'am. Four dots.
Oh, that.
Four dots, ma'am.
Then why I can't able to write now? I've written something.
Ma'am, that cursor will be your pencil only.
I know, but why I can't write? I'm not able to write. That's why. I don't want to use this cursor. I want to use my pen. We'll see this trial and error next time. Now you write. We'll start using this writing pad. Okay, if everyone are comfortable. Okay. If everyone can see, I'll start using this one. But I am writing something, but it is not visible. Correct?
Ma'am, in the settings, it was there the option for active pens.
I have done it.
Yes, ma'am, there only.
Now, you check.
I think it's on, ma'am.
Now,
Nothing is written on board, ma'am.
I am writing. I written galvanization.
Ask Naveen, ma'am. I think he is able to see or not.
I mean,
No, ma'am. I can see only dots on the board, ma'am. Few dots are there.
fine. We'll see this trial and error after that. Don't waste the time. You just write this galvanizing. We'll start using the writing pad. Fine. If it is, I'll try to use it. We'll see how far I can do it best. Okay. You are comfortable with the PPT or this writing pad? I think Math sir is using this writing pad, right?
Ma'am, Math sir is using MS Paint.
Paint? How can
Yes.
they write in paint?
Ma'am, it's our duty to understand at anyhow. We understand, ma'am.
Not like that. At least you should tell no. Are you able to understand or not?
Sorry, ma'am, what you said?
Is there any difficulty in that? I think sir is
No, ma'am,
using
we are
writing
able to see it. That no problem is there.
pad. Anyhow, you have to understand. But this is, you tell me, are you, this is okay? Are you comfortable with this PPTs and what I am presenting?
Ma'am, PPTs are okay, ma'am. No problem.
This is okay?
Yes.
Comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But meanwhile, I'll start using that writing pad also. I have to use, I should get used to it. I don't know. Maybe a pen active, I don't know where is that option. I'll just try to find out and I'll start using it. After the class, Naveen, will you stay back, Naveen and Pushkar, for 10 minutes and explain? We'll try it for this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write down this. Write down this. I am waiting to write for you people to write. Write only the definition for galvanization. Galvanizing is a process of coating a metal surface such as iron with a zinc metal. Iron with a zinc metal. You have seen the notes, no, in the material section. Long back I uploaded.
Madam, good afternoon, madam.
Who is this?
Good afternoon, madam. Myself,
Ah,
Dr.
good.
Panchakshari.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Hope you are doing well.
Sir.
Okay. Madam, some informations, some inputs I want.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can interact.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Sir, you disconnected your voice. Hello, sir. Sir, voice disconnected.
yes, madam. Madam, course manual is available in the Microsoft Teams, madam.
Yes, sir. It is available. You can see, sir. I have uploaded.
Okay, okay. I will check.
Sir.
Ma'am, what was the plan? What was the planned topic, madam, here?
This one, galvanizing only, sir. Today only I am started.
Okay, galvanization only.
Yes, sir.
So there is no difference between the planned and actual.
No, sir.
Okay.
Because it is a 40
Um,
minute class, there may be 10 minutes lagging will be there because 1 hour that is planned for 1 hour session. After planning, the classes are for 40 minutes, no, sir. So there will
Yeah.
be little, maybe one topic in far or less, we'll be doing it, sir.
Okay.
Actually, according to the plan only, I tried to cover.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, PPT, you're using only the PPT right now, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Digital pad still
Sir,
not.
I collected, I started, just now I
Yeah.
tried to use
Yeah,
it, but
yeah.
it's not you could see, sir, I tried
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. And
Tried
this is I see, ma'am. This which outcome is the course CO2 or CO1?
CO2, sir.
CO2 knowledge level 2, knowledge level 2, na?
Yes,
And
sir.
then what is the reference material, ma'am, you're using? And the book and other things, no, which the prescribed
Jai
book.
Prakash, Engineering Chemistry by Jai Prakash.
Uh.
And reference book I am using Vogel, Physical
Which
Chemistry by Vogel. Vogel.
Okay, ma'am. And yeah, have you uploaded the soft copy of the material notes?
Yes, sir. Yes. PPT also uploaded and notes also uploaded.
Okay. I'd like to discuss with students for short time, just 2 minutes.
Sir. Yes. You want
And
me
then
to
now
stay
you
back?
can, now you can stop recording and you can leave for short period of time, just 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. I'll be stop recording and I'll leave.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.